After assembling the motor in parts 1 and 2, it's time to install it and take it for a drive.
It'll look like a new car.
Get all degreased. It's driving! All right, separated the trans. Take a look at this clutch. All right, let's go.
You ready? Found the timing mark.
Oh, yeah, there it is.
This might have been outside.
This may or may not have been outside.
Yeah, keep.
It's stuck on the dowel.
Yeah, I'm just trying
The
to.
dowel's rusty.
I don't know how.
Well, I got rusty.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't think you want to run
I
that.
don't think we're around. A little rusty.
It's a sprung clutch.
Oh,
Front clutch is
that's
down there.
totally fine, right?
It's right down to the rivets.
None of this is what I would consider brand new.
Saks Canada.
Canadian.
But it's right down to the rivets.
Yeah.
Twirl.
Nailed it.
Man, you can tell Richard's done that before.
That was all you. That was all you.
You leaving the old 02 sensor in it?
Yeah. Right, we are, right? It's a 3-wire.
He's moving all the landmines.
Zip ties they're like landmines. Alright.
Not enough, we're gonna go a little higher, right? Good. Yeah, we're ready for the battery tray.
Now we put the battery tray on.
It's just easier without it.
Oh,
I would wait actually until you did the linkage.
Yeah, that's true.
yeah, the battery tray can just go in toward the end.
You might want the tire off for the linkage too. Sometimes you reach right in there to get the.
What are you doing over here, Ben?
I am going to go into monitor mode and
Yeah.
try to get into the monitor 4000E from, I don't know how old this scanner is, but it's got to be 30 years old. But at least tell us the voltages for all the various sensors. So
4000E.
yeah, I have a 2000. This is Brian, so I've never used this before.
It's an SUX 2000. So we're doing the first startup.
Yep.
All right, we know we have fuel pump, right? We heard that.
Fuel pump.
It sounded like it.
Just
had
showed
gas.
it. It sounded like it loaded up, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I got map voltage, I got map readings, we got no RPMs, no knock, and TPS. And it's lean.
And the oil pressure.
And it's lean.
And it's lean.
And you don't get to be the only one that films.
I know. This is your baby.
Alright, we're good.
See if it'll start. Oh, dang.
Smoky. You know these aren't, you can't tighten these down when you're in the car.
Yeah.
Alright, well there goes my monitors, but we'll go ahead anyway, Brian. Because I did that. Go ahead. You're gonna do this to me now,
I'm
man?
gonna keep doing that to you. Alright.
Is it getting not spark or do we have the coil hooked up? Yeah, the coil's hooked up, right?
It was only off 15 times. It sounds like it's changing.
Move the distributor.
You want more?
Do something different.
It's tight.
I move it back.
I don't have bare hands.
What do you need?
You want to crank sometime.
Oh, okay.
Alright, here you go.
And round 2. I think it's not. We're not getting spark or fuel. One of the things is not working.
Yep, that's usually what it's
Yeah.
required.
Yep.
A minute, but
See, in round 1 we had a bad pickup coil, and we're gonna try round 2 now.
turns out these connectors want to be part of the wire.
Good thing our wiring guy just nailed that.
Yeah. We'll see how she
Let's
does
see.
now.
Fingers crossed. First start, but I didn't like the knocking sound.
Oh, it's just because it's a little more timing, Brian. I wouldn't step on the gas.
Hang on. Okay, we're getting ready to start it for the, I don't know, 17th or 18th time. We'll call this the first startup video, I don't know, version 6. All right, here we go. Yay! It's alive! Woo! Woo! I'm pretty sure it. But yes, because we have applause sign being held up. Just check it. Look at that. Yeah.
Cardboard mud.
Yeah, cardboard. Skid plate. We put power steering fluid in, so we're just circulating power steering fluid. I think it might be ready for its first drive in I don't know how many years. Down a country road to the place I belong. Not much left.
Let me know when you're ready.
So let's see how a thermostat works. It's supposed to get hot and then it's supposed to open up. I can see it moving. Yeah, it's open. The back side. We have openage. All right.